Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm here to invite all of you to the Around the World on a Broomstick for Halloween challenge. This is a wreath challenge hosted by Ruth from Kentucky Frey'd Fun, and she has lots of cleaning, decluttering and decorating and lots more awesome channel. You have to check that one out. Also we have Pat from Style with Pat, and she has lots of DIYs and beautiful projects. Another awesome channel. You have to check that one out. And myself, Kiki from Kiki DIYs, and I have crafts, decor, sewing and lifestyle in my channel. Our rules for this awesome wreath making challenge would be to name your video Around the World on a Broomstick for Halloween. That's the first rule. Our second rule would be to mention and subscribe to our hosts if you haven't already. Our third rule would be that there's no budget. Your items can be thrifted, store-bought, or previously owned. We just want to see your beautiful Halloween wreath. So make a video. You can put your wreath together from scratch or just show us the last year's wreath you have that's beautiful and you're gonna hang it. Our upload day is October 4, 2019, and there you will have our playlist on our videos. Use the hashtag Around the World on a Broomstick so we can find your videos easily. And our sixth rule is what I told you about the playlist. It's gonna be available on our videos, the upload date. Our subbies can go to Instagram and using the hashtag they can participate in this challenge too. So if you're a subby and you just want to add your beautiful wreath, go to Instagram and use the hashtag and you can tag us. I just hope I can see all of you there. Take care. Bye bye.